Welcome to XyPractica, Experiment Testing pH. We will need the following materials: a pH test strip, tissue paper, and a few sample liquids such as lemon juice, baking soda solution, or soap solution. Now, carefully take a single piece of pH test paper, making sure your hands are clean and dry to avoid affecting the result. After that, quickly dip the strip into the liquid. Remove the strip and hold it steady. Wait for about 30 seconds to 1 minute, and you'll see the strip gradually change color. Now you can repeat the same process for the other solution. Be sure to follow all the steps carefully to ensure your results are accurate. Use a fresh pH strip for each test, and avoid touching the reactive end so the reading remains consistent. Finally, compare the color of your test strip with the pH color chart. Match it to the closest shade and note the corresponding pH value. This will give you a clear reading of the solution's acidity or alkalinity. Thank you for watching.